Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 on PC. Skate 3 was originally released for the Xbox 360 console and is not available natively on personal computers. To enjoy this classic skateboarding game, you will need to use an emulator. This software allows your PC to mimic the Xbox 360 environment. A powerful computer with a robust processor and graphics card is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable experience. To begin, you will need to select a suitable Xbox 360 emulator. Xenia is a highly recommended option, known for its compatibility and performance with many titles, including Skate 3. It is vital to ensure your personal computer meets Xenia's minimum system requirements to avoid performance issues. Always download the latest stable version of the emulator directly from its official website for the best results and security. Once you have your emulator, the next step is to acquire the Skate 3 game file. It is important to obtain a legitimate copy, perhaps from a disk you own. Extract these game files into a clearly organized folder on your computer. Then, open Xenia and navigate through its settings to configure options like resolution, audio, and input for optimal performance tailored to your system. For the most authentic and enjoyable experience, we highly recommend using an Xbox-compatible controller. Connect your controller to your personal computer before launching the emulator. Within Xenia's settings, you will find options to map your controller's buttons, ensuring all game functions work correctly. With everything set up, you can now launch Skate 3 and immerse yourself in the world of Port Carverton on your PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.